Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about why I put gesso on my watercolor paper. Well, first of all, let's start off. My two favorite papers, Cheap Joe's Kilimanjaro. You can only get it from Cheap Joe's, but I love the paper. 300 pound, or Fabriano, 300-pound paper. It's fantastic. So let me show you the gesso that I use and why I do it. So before I gesso, let me show you the tools that I use. They're pretty inexpensive. A piece of cardboard. Here's a piece of foam board. Okay, I'm going to cut it up, and these will be my scrapers. And after I use them, I throw them away. Or I'll use these brushes that I get actually in the art store, and it says for gesso. So the brushes I don't use are my other painting brushes, so don't use any of these painting brushes, okay? You want to use a paintbrush. If you do, a paintbrush from the art store that says just for specifically gesso. What makes them different is that they're thick, they hold a whole lot of gesso, and they take a beating, and they're fantastic. Okay, these are the brushes. The gesso that I use will be some professional gesso. Very thick, not very watery, but very thick, almost like cream, okay? So you want to do that because it's a lot easier to trowel it back on again. And here I go. So all I need to do is just to make my, there you go, to make my scrapers. Nice sharp knife. Bingo, I'm ready to go. And now, look at this gesso. Unbelievable. That's what you want to have, not the kind that pours out like milk. Look at that. Oh man, that's going to be just perfect for scraping on my canvases and the paper. Let's go do it. So on a canvas, I'm going to use the gesso brush. Pretty nice, huh? It already has the gesso on it, but I'm going to use my gesso so I can kind of almost know how the paint's going to react. So here we go. This is a beautiful canvas. Look at all this stuff. Look at this. Oh. So thick. I happen to like the brush strokes. It says this is a canvas. Beautiful, beautiful. See, and it's done. It's done. Absolutely beautiful. Take some of the sides off. Sure is nice to work on a nice, wonderful canvas. Very professional. There you go. Done. How easy. Let's do the paper piece right now. All right. Here comes 300-pound paper. My favorite. I'm going to use this foam board, 1/4-inch foam board scraper. Again, big dollop of it. Ah, look at that. Cool, huh? And scrape it, just like I'm decorating a cake. Done. Let's go back in, clean it up a little bit. Look, the gesso has been pushed well into the surface. This is done. I can do the next one or throw this one away. But look how quick and easy that was. Now I can either paint on the canvas or the paper, and I know how the paint's going to react. Hey, thanks so much for watching this one and also for sharing this to all your friends. I love doing it, and I can't wait to show you my next one. Thanks for watching the BobBlast. See you soon. Hey, I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm dreaming about my next workshop in Puerto Vallarta in Mexico, having this coffee early in the morning, sitting on my veranda, looking at the ocean. It's one of my favorite places to go. It's Casa de la Artiste, and you've heard me talk about this. This is the house that we go to, and we stay there, we sleep there, we eat there, we paint there, and just looking over the ocean. It's fantastic. Go to my website so you can see all the details. But remember, it's in January, so hurry up and sign up. I'll see you there.